Hi everyone, and welcome to Southampton Free Library's first ever Activities Anytime. So this is an experiment, so if there are problems, weird sounds, please be patient. I'm in my kitchen, there's a cat over here, my husband's over here. We'll see how this goes. So today we are going to learn how to make tissue paper flowers for Mother's Day. As you can see, I've already got some samples made here that I made earlier, and I have pictures up with instructions for these too if you can't watch the video. But now I'm going to show you through video how to make them. So to make these, you'll need a pair of scissors, you'll need a couple pipe cleaners, any color, green, blue, yellow, don't care, and 3 sheets of tissue paper. They can be all the same color, they can be different colors. You can alternate them, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let me scoot this back a bit. All right. There. Now you can see my hands better. Okay. So you have your 3 sheets, and you can either do it on the long edge or the short edge, whichever way you prefer. Long edge or short edge, start at. I'm going to start at the long edge. And you start folding all 3 sheets together. So you flip up about 1 inch. And you fold it straight across. Okay? And then you flip all the sheets over and you fold it up again, like you're making a fan. Okay? Try to keep them neat. Those aren't staying very neat, but that's okay. Try to keep it neat. And then just keep flipping back and forth, folding as you go until you do the whole sheet. So we're going to get this all folded up here. So try to keep your folds at about 1 inch. Mine are getting a little loose, but that's all right. We'll fix it when we pull it. Back and forth till you get the whole thing done. This is why I did the longer edge, because it's less folding. You keep folding and you keep folding. Alright, we're almost there. One more. Okay, so now you wind up with this long fan-like folded strip of tissue paper. This is where your tissue paper comes in. You can cut them into 3 or 4 different lengths, different sizes if you want. You can cut one that length, you can cut a longer one if you want, make a bigger flower. Maybe make 2 long ones and 2 smaller ones like that. Okay, so you've got those now. And then this is where your pipe cleaner comes in. You take, you see, and you wrap your pipe cleaner right around the middle. And then you twist the end together so it holds it. Okay? And so you've got something that looks like this. Okay? And then you take and you trim the edges. You round the edges off. Okay, like so. Make sure you get everything. Do it on both sides. Get those out of the way. Okay, so now you got this. But then you start at the, not at the twisted end, but where it's folded over the top, and you take that first sheet, and just that first top sheet, and you pull it towards the middle. Okay? Okay, you do 1/2, and then you take and you do the other half. Pull it towards the middle. Okay, and then you've got one layer up, right? Start with the next one. In this case, it's going to be the purple layer. Just keep pulling it up towards the middle. Keep going round and round. If things tear, don't worry about it. You can always trim stuff with the scissors once you get it all pulled up. Now, don't tug too hard because it will tear. It is tissue paper. Now, keep going. So now you've got the 2 layers up. And then you just take the bottom layer with your hand and push it up. Now you can make your flower as tight or as loose as you like. Make sure that stays. There we go. So you can either squish it as tight as you want and then loosen it up. And there you go. You have a flower. Okay? Now, these are blue and purple. With these, you can see we reverse the colors. So it's the same fold. This one has the pink on the bottom and the yellow on the top. This one has the pink on the top and the yellow on the bottom. You just flip it over. That won't help much with these because they're blue on both sides. Play around with them, have fun, and give them to your mom for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody.